Hi, it's James again, and I'm just going to show you the apps working, at least connecting to the server, joining a room, seeing each other, sending each other a message. So you can see that we're progressing a bit further along. So we've got iOS there, and on the right hand side we've got, I always get left and right mixed up, but we've got the Android app. And I'll just start it. Now they look slightly differently because I need to do specific styling. Obviously this is just me mucking about. This isn't how it's going to look at the end. This is just me getting all the mechanisms in the right place. So I'll start the server. Both should connect. Just give it a second. iOS one's a bit slower for some reason. Any minute now. No? Okay. So oh, there we go. Now we got it. There. Right. So they've both connected to the server. They've both been given a username. So iOS Selfish Papaya, and the Android one Lamafs, I think. So both of them, if we click on room list, click general, then again styling. I'll sort all that later when I actually style it. Click general. So it joins the general room. You can see the server on the left hand side. Yeah, it sees that I've joined the server and I've joined the room. Same on Android, so I'll join that room. And if I look at the user list, I can see Selfish Papaya, and I can see myself again. So that looks like I've actually done that wrong. That should say Lamafs as well. So I'll need to look at that. But anyway, that works. And then if I send a message, hello, oh, it corrected it. Hello, James. It will say it on this side, how are you doing? And then on that side. One other little thing that I've done that's really simple is just it reconnects and rejoins the room. So if I close down the server, they both disconnect, I reopen it again, they should both rejoin the room. Again, I don't know why iOS takes so long to cycle. I think it's got a longer timer on it before it tries to reconnect. But in a second, that should work. I hope. Yeah, there you go. So it's got a new user. So the authentication system just spouts out usernames for the minute because I don't have an authentication service. But they get names, they get usernames that they can see themselves with, and then user list. Yeah, see something's fucky with that. I don't know what's going on there. But I'll look into that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.